Introducing Writing Time. What activities do you like? Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share your ideas. We can share our ideas with pictures, and we can share our ideas with words. What activities do you like? I like swimming and splashing all day. I like climbing and laughing at play. I like swinging and sliding down too. I like throwing a ball with friends like you. I like building with blocks stacked so high. I like drawing pictures of clouds in the sky. I like hopping and running with glee. I like chasing bubbles that float by me. I like riding scooters and bikes too. I like flying kites in the sky so blue. I like playing games with my family and friends. I like having fun that never quite ends. What other activities do you like? Do you like jumping and dancing around? Do you like digging deep into the ground? Do you like painting and coloring too? Do you like gluing and making something new? Do you like baking and helping stir? Do you like singing to music for sure? Do you like gardening and watering flowers? Do you like reading for hours and hours? Do you like tapping and beating a drum? Do you like camping where adventures come? Do you like to build forts all day? Or is there another activity you'd like to play? Now it's your turn to draw. It's your turn to write. It's your turn to share what activities bring you delight. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.